Welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Roundup. Let's get you caught up on the biggest headlines we covered this week, powered by Mia, the AI super employee that automates communications across reception, sales, and service. With 24/7, 365 coverage across phone and text, Mia handles inbound and outbound customer conversations to boost CSI, increase efficiency, and grow revenue. President Trump is pointing to a growing list of automakers' investments as evidence that U.S. manufacturing is gaining momentum. During a visit to Michigan this week, Trump highlighted billions of dollars in new investments from companies like GM, Ford, Toyota, and Hyundai, arguing his trade policies are encouraging automakers to expand production in America. GM is investing $432 million to modernize manufacturing at facilities in Missouri and Tennessee. The investment will support future vehicle production, improve manufacturing efficiency, and reinforce GM's long-term commitment to U.S. operations. It's the latest addition to the automaker's broader domestic investment strategy as it balances EV development with continued demand for gas-powered vehicles. July new vehicle sales are expected to finish 1.4% higher than a year ago, according to J.D. Power. Hybrid demand continues driving showroom traffic, helping offset affordability concerns caused by higher prices and elevated interest rates. Ford has raised its full year 2026 profit outlook after stronger than expected performance in the first half of the year. The company cited healthy truck demand, improving cost controls, and continued strength from Ford Pro as key drivers behind higher guidance. Stellantis reported quarterly results that fell short of Wall Street expectations as the automaker continues working through restructuring efforts and intense global competition. While North America showed improvement thanks to new product launches, profitability remained under pressure from Europe, China, and ongoing transformation costs. Well, that's all for this week's Roundup, but join me again first thing Monday morning on the Jumpstart to get the latest news happening in the automotive industry. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you again Monday morning.